and dropped. I popped the engine bay and look what fell off. How? What's up, guys? We're back with another video. I'm actually gonna finish the video. What we are doing today is finishing the Haldex controller install on the track car. So I started doing this like summertime maybe, or like fall, but it just started getting cold and we didn't get to it. But today we're gonna finish that and get it going. So yeah. All right, so this is what we have to do. So here's the Haldex box. So I extended all these wires. I'll tuck it up so I can control it from up there. But what the problem is I probably explained this already, but I'll have to throw the other clips in, is when we did the Haldex, or did everything. Oh, look, it's smoking. So yeah, we couldn't get, I'll explain this. So we couldn't get single to the OBD port to like, to the ECU and all that, because it had the mobilized feet, etc., all that. So then we ordered a mobilized defeated ECU, then it was running, but we still couldn't get connection to the OBD port. And then we unplugged it or something like that for the rear Haldex. And then we were able to get connection. So then my dad just soldered it together because we had no good connectors. And it's been like that and working ever since. So this could have been done, but already, so we just have to go in and solder these connectors for the plugs on the Haldex, and then we'll be good to go. So yeah, let's get that going, and then I will go and test everything out. Yum. Oops. Nope, we're dropping some. But yeah, it shouldn't be that hard because we just need to, there's already solder on the wires, so we just need to go one by one and then we'll be good to go. I wish we still had snow because then we could really show the difference. I was just thinking about that. That would be cool, yeah. So I'll have to figure out something, but I don't know. So hold on, I got it. I think
You're going through the hole or something?
yeah. Can
It might be just those two wires that are different, that's it. Okay.
Got some donuts over, homemade. Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
All right, let's go eat them. Oh yeah, mine are over there. Donuts were crazy good. Almost done soldering, but definitely gonna test everything out. Those are mine, but you can have this.
The ones that you were using?
Yeah, I was using those.
What did I do with mine? Hold on. Oh, mine are my phone.
Yeah, figured. I don't know if I should show this, but this looks pretty good. 124. We're riding clean. Don't worry.
Oh, she'll pass.
Oh, this thing will pass.
Tag the title, son. Oh, maybe.
Oh, this year.
I have to do something about that. We're supposed to enjoy it in freaking Shenandoah County.
That's what I'm doing. Can't argue against me. But yeah, we just need the wire, 3 more wires. But I need to like there's a lot of wire down there that I just need to bunch together.
Do we have to tape everything up?
Yeah, we have to tape everything up, and then we'll be good. Almost done, but I'll finish, or I'll do the test driving video tomorrow, because it's getting later. Unless we're done, I don't know. We'll see. Soldering is all done. Now we just need to wrap everything up in tape, and then we will be good to go. We might be launching R right now. No, just kidding.
Put some water on the garage floor and let her eat.
Dude, I think it would do it. With the summer tires that are just dry rotted like crazy.
Yeah, oh yeah, it'll spin those.
That'd be funny. Oh, spider. All right, should I flip the key to see if the light turns on?
Yeah.
Ah, see, I hate stuff like this.
No, I think you're good.
All right. All right, so that should light up, hopefully. Oh, we got light.
Sweet.
That's huge. So then so it's got to be good. So I think it's good. We might be good, guys. All right, let's go blow up this rear end. Just kidding. All right, how should I tuck all that up? I might just wrap it all together, maybe.
Oh, use a tie strap.
Oh yeah, good call. All right, let me do that real quick, and I will catch you guys on the drive, maybe. I don't know. There's like 50 cars in the driveway right now. But yeah, let's get going. All right, guys, we're in the car. I still need to mount. What I'm planning on doing is mounting it like this, so I can see like the color, the light. So this is a good sign. We see the red. These buttons don't work, or I gotta mess with it. So to switch mode, I got a screwdriver. Hopefully this fits in there. It does. Okay. Let's see, is this too much for the screen? Will this focus? I don't know if you guys can see this. So, red is stock, green is four-wheel drive, blue is 50/50, and then purple is custom. So, I'm gonna turn the light off real quick so you guys can see. Alright, so you can see the red. Oh, there goes my phone. Let's turn this back on. Alright. So, I think you just press it. Oh, that's green, that's front wheel drive. Blue, 50/50. Okay, and then it goes back to red for stock, since I don't have a custom map, but you can connect this to the computer with the software and get a custom map in there. So let's go for a drive. Yeah, hopefully it works. This is a good sign too. Only the traction control light, but it's for the steering column sensor. No check engine light yet. So we're gonna take a corner. We have it in stock, and I'm just gonna rip it after the cars. That was all-wheel drive. All right, first gear, we're off.
Yeah, I felt it kick in. green button on front wheel drive. Let's see if it works.
So it's on green right now. Let's see if it just spins the front. Hold on. What's shook though?
Huh?
Did you feel that, the shaking?
It's exhaust.
Was it?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I felt it hit the floor. I think it was the exhaust.
Alright, we're gonna...
Or something. Or the prop shaft or something, I don't know.
Yeah, I probably need a prop shaft bearing or something.
That was funny. It spun pretty fucking quick. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that, okay.
Yeah, that's front wheel drive. It spins.
Alright guys. So it's on blue, so that's 50-50. I think it's 50-50 all the time. Or, if I'm not mistaken. Like, I think it's bad to go...
You can tell that it feels different.
It does feel different. Did you notice that?
Yeah,
I noticed that too.
As soon as you took off, I can tell it feels different.
Let's see if it spins. Oh.
Why is it still spinning like that?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's not all wheel drive right now. Reverse and key on.
Hold on. I'm gonna put the windows down. Oh god. Battery died, guys. Yeah. Let me know. Pop that John in reverse. Let me go ahead and end the video here for the Haldex controller install because I still gotta figure it out. Oh damn. That's mangled. But yeah, I got it to work. It goes through all the modes, stock, four-wheel drive, 50-50, but I need to figure out, I wonder if I need to update the controller itself online to get like an update in the system for the 50-50 to work, because it was funky. But yeah, it's super easy to use. Just press the buttons and it's good to go. But once I figure out how to do or get the 50-50 figured out, unless it's my Haldex or it's the controller itself, we'll figure that out. But yeah, I need to update it and then I will keep you guys posted. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, and yeah, I hope you guys like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content on the Track R. All right guys, I know this video has been like all over the place, but I had to pick up the camera and show you guys this. So backstory, this is in the Haldex video of installing everything and testing it out. Got it all in and all that, went out driving. Stock mode worked, front wheel drive worked, but 50-50 didn't seem to work or anything like that. So I was trying to figure that out. Tried to download and update everything, but you had to do it on Windows and I was using a Mac. So that was my problem. I got it all updated, all that, and went out to go drive. And driving along, tested stock, worked fine. Haldex controller is on, getting power, all that. And then I put it into 50-50. But before this, the serpentine belt started to squeak a little bit more. And I was like, oh, that's normal. It's been squeaking ever since the track day. And then put in 50-50. I gave it a good launch. Seems like it didn't slip or anything at all. So I only tested it once, what I could see. Then the battery light starts going in and out. And the power steering, I'm starting to lose it. I'm like, what the heck? What is going on? Pull into a neighborhood. Pull out, no power steering at this moment, the battery light's on. I'm like, oh, let me limp it home and go. So I'm going down this hill and I heard something clunk and come out, and I'm like, oh shoot, that was the tensioner, let me loop it home. But I forgot, because I forgot that the serpentine belt does all the water pump and all that to keep it cool. So I'm like, oh shoot, the temp went up only for like a minute. It didn't max out or anything like that. So knock on wood, it's good. Knock on wood real quick. But then, like I said, I heard something drop. I popped the engine bay, and look what fell off. How? How did the crank pulley fall off? We've never touched it. I've done 3 track days, full throttle, been driving this thing for like 3 years straight. Never touched it. It must have been from the other owner or something. And I couldn't believe it. I was looking down in the car, let me see if I can show you. I was looking down on the car. I'm like, the belt's still there, and the serpentine belt tensioner is still there. What dropped? And I'm like, what the heck dropped? And I'm looking down. I don't know if you guys can see. Hold on, let me. Yep, right there. There's no tensioner. There's no tensioner. I'm like, no way that just fell off. So then I had my dad come get me and just pulled it back. Didn't even want to hook up the truck and trailer. And I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. So the keyway's gone, so we have to make something. And I'm hoping the crank threads are good. It should be good, because I'll show you now. So I'm like, that happens. I'm like, all right, I'm driving home today. And I'm like, let me go to the location to see if I can go find the whole thing on the side of the road or something, because I was already ready to buy a new tensioner off ECS, like the CTS turbo, lightweight flywheel, or crank pulley and all that. So I'm driving, I drive past, and I see this on the side of the road, exactly like this. Bolt still in it, just sitting on the side of the road like this. And I couldn't believe it. I thought that thing would have rolled somewhere else, like bolt would be gone and all that. I was like, no way I found it like this. I couldn't believe it. So I'm looking at the bolt. It all looks good. You can see right here, it might be right here, the threads were messed up because it slid on the road, but nothing else is bad. Only these look bad, but that's because that's where the crank covers it, so that actually doesn't go in, so that's good to go. So yeah, I can't believe it. So my dad got it cleaned up as much as we can. So obviously we're gonna test to see if it goes in and make a new keyway for that. But yeah, I had to pick up the camera and put this in the video because I can't believe that happened. The whole crank pulley went flying off with the bolt. Found it face I found it face down with the bolt still in it. I was like mind blown. So it doesn't look bad. I don't know if you can see. It doesn't look really sheared at all or worn out. So we just have to make our own keyway and then put that back in and put the crank bolt back in the car. I think it should work. The bolt came out perfectly fine besides from the road. So I don't think anything is stripped on the crank, knock on wood, what we can tell. But yeah, I just had to pick up the camera and show you guys that because I am mind blown by that. And yeah, so I don't even know. I'm just mind blown. I can't believe that just happened. This is actually going to wrap up the video of the Haldex install. I don't know when I'll put the crank back on or the crank pulley back on because I do want to go test out if the 50-50 mode is working. So maybe sometime this week or this weekend I'll do that. Probably this weekend. And yeah, still more stuff to come on the cars. I got to do some stuff on the 20th. And then I'm going to start doing track day prep with the R because I got to do a handful of stuff to it. But yeah, end of this video now. I know it's been all over the place, so like and subscribe, and I will catch you on this next one, and stay tuned for the content.